Hello and welcome to our video on how to eat 5 servings of vegetables a day. Eating enough fruits and vegetables is essential for maintaining a healthy diet and preventing chronic diseases. But for many people, getting in those 5 servings can feel like a daunting task. In this video, we're going to share some easy tips and tricks to make it a little bit easier. First, let's talk about what a serving of vegetables actually is. A serving is generally considered to be 1 cup of raw or cooked vegetables or 2 cups of leafy greens, so 5 servings would be equivalent to 5 cups of vegetables. One easy way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet is by starting your day off with a healthy breakfast. Try adding spinach or kale to your morning smoothie or make an omelet with mushrooms, peppers, and onions. This way, you'll already have 1 serving down before you even leave the house. Another tip is to make sure that you always have some cut up vegetables on hand. Keep a container of baby carrots, cucumbers, or bell peppers in the fridge so that you can grab a quick snack whenever you need it. You can also make sure to include a serving of vegetables in every meal. For lunch, make a big salad or sandwich with lots of greens, tomatoes, and cucumbers. For dinner, try to make sure that half of your plate is filled with vegetables. This can be as simple as steamed broccoli, roasted Brussels sprouts, or sauteed spinach. Another great way to include more vegetables into your diet is by trying new recipes. Experiment with different ways of cooking vegetables to find new favorites. Try grilling, roasting, or sauteing them with different spices and herbs. Eating 5 servings of vegetables a day seems like a lot, but with these tips, it's definitely doable. Remember to be consistent and make it a part of your daily routine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Convenient Weight Loss for more healthy eating tips.